Welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today I am making one of the easiest and one of the most delicious potato dishes. It's called a potato parmesan stack. It goes together very quickly, perfect for weeknights. This is a keeper recipe. All that it is, very simply, is 3 potatoes. I'm using russet potatoes, but you could use Yukon Gold, which is like a medium to heavy starch potato for this one. I have 3 tablespoons of parmesan and 2 tablespoons of melted butter in a large bowl. And then of course you're going to want to salt and pepper your potatoes. The equipment that I just have a muffin tin. I've sprayed this with a cooking spray. You can also butter it if you want. So that's the equipment, that's it. Other than that, you're going to need either a mandolin or I have my Breville. I love this thing. This is a disc that comes with the Breville, and this dials up and down, and I'm going to dial it to 3 millimeters to cut these potatoes. 3 millimeters is just shy of a 1/4 inch. I'm going to put all of these potato slices into the bowl with some salt. Potato loves salt and pepper. And you can put herbs in this too. Thyme or rosemary would be delicious. And oregano. Oregano goes so well with potato. Fresh oregano especially. And then you put the parmesan in. Toss it all together. Then you just grab a handful and make sure that these potatoes are stacked on top of each other. You just go right into one of these cups. And you want to stack them a little high because they will shrink down as they cook. The best ones will be the ones that are a little high because these really compact down as they cook, they shrink. I shifted these to the outside because that's always where the really good crispy ones are. So all that you do is you put them in these pans, you kind of smash them down. These go into a 375-degree oven, which is 190 Celsius, and that will take 45 minutes to an hour. So I'll see when they come out. Well, here they are. These are the potato stacks. The way to test that these are done is, and these took 1 hour, by the way, and you can see how much they've shrunk down. But what you do is you just take a toothpick or a fork and just put them in the center, and you can see this is it goes in very easily. And that's how you know they're finished. Let me just take one out for you. You can see this top potato is crispy, and you have little crispies on the side, and the bottom is delicious and crispy. And then the inside is tender and flaky. You see, you can pull it apart. This is a really nice bite. Let me take one. It smells really good. And potatoes with parm is just delicious. So good. Like I said earlier, it's like the best French fry. You can change up the flavors. This is a really great recipe. I hope you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.